Hey guys, this is Bakal Works from Forever. In this video, we are going to look at the beauty of 3D printing and how does 3D printing works. So let's get started. 3D printing is the most satisfying way of making things where you can just fall in love with the movement it makes and you can see the entire design printing from top to bottom in front of your eyes. But how? How does a 3D printer makes anything whatever we say it to make? Well, there are few process which happens behind the scene before the print starts. We will look at those process one by one. First is the design. You can either make the design by your own self or you can download the designs from websites like Thingiverse or My Mini Factory. But I prefer making the design by my own self. So let's jump into Fusion 360 and make something real quick. So we are in Fusion 360 right now. So let's create a spiral vase. To create a spiral vase, we have to create a sketch and select a plane. I'm selecting this bottom plane right here. And after that, we have to create a polygon. So let's take a polygon. Let's keep it as 25, and after that we have to create a line from the center of this polygon. So stop sketch, create a line, line, you can create from here also, and let's keep the length of the line as 100 mm. Done. Now after this we have to create a coil. So coil, got it, coil. For the coil we have to create this plane. Select the plane. I have selected this plane, and let's here touch in the corner, and now let's change the revolution as 0.5 and the height as 100 mm. So now it's done, and after this the last step is to create a sweep. So here is the sweep, the profile will be this, and our path will be this, and guide rail will be this, and the operation we have to change it as new body. So it's done, and after that we have to hide this one. So let's go to body and remove this. So it's done. So now the design is complete, but we can't 3D print it right away because the printer will not be able to print it. To make it print, we have to do the second step, which is called slicing. As the name suggests, slicing is the process where it slices the design just like we slice potato for making chips. Here also the same thing happens. So this is the design that we made earlier, and before 3D printing we have to export this design into Reptier host for slicing. So let's select this design and let's go to Reptier host. So the design is here. Now we have to slice it, and here is the option to slice. And what will happen is when we start to slice, like I have started now, when we start to slice it, it will convert the full design into so many layers, and it will print one layer at a time. So as you can see, the design is sliced completely, and there are total 499 layers. And when we start to 3D print, this is the first thing which the printer will print. This is the first layer, and after that the printer will print layer number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will keep on going like this. So we have seen now how the slicing works. Let's 3D print it.
So here is the final 3D printed part, and it's great to see that how a 3D printer can convert a digital 3D model into a physical object within few minutes or even hours. And it would be very more interesting to see that how far this tech can go. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel to know more about 3D printing. And thanks for watching, and we'll meet soon in the next one.